Let's make brown stew liver, and this is cow liver. So I add vinegar and lemon juice in water. Guys, we're going to remove the thin white skin from the liver. Alright, and I'm going to cut the liver into serving size. Okay, my people, here is my cow liver, which I rinse in lemon juice and vinegar and strip and slice. Okay, I have all of my herbs here, which I rinse. I have thyme, garlic, spring onion, peppers, bell peppers, celery, white onion, and piece of fresh ginger. I also have pimento berries. Alright, I have tomato. I'm going to add in. All the ingredients will be in the description box below. Alright, I'm going to add in salt. I have my black pepper, oil, all-purpose season, soy sauce. I'm going to add in some ketchup. I'm going to add in onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, some dry basil, LiQWYD seasoned salt, and browning. And I also going to add in scotch bonnet pepper. You do not have any scotch bonnet pepper, you could use crushed pepper. But I'm just going to add in peas. So at this stage, you want to just rub the spices in, and it's best to marinate your liver a day before, or if you do not have the time, just marinate it at least 1 hour before. Okay, this liver is less than 2 pounds, but after I strip it, you know, it's about 1.5 pounds now. So I'm going to add in all of my herbs. Well marinated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it and put it into the refrigerator, alright, for at least an hour, because guys, I'm going to cook it in the next hour. Okay, my people, let us get to the another step. I have my pot here on the heat, and I'm going to add in some oil. And you could use any oil of your choice. Alright, I'm using vegetable oil. Okay, my people, so what I'm going to do is I am going to add in my liver. Okay, and we're just going to let it brown. Liver do not take long to cook, so we're just going to brown it and keep stirring, and then I'm going to add in some hot water. Okay, My people, you could enjoy your liver with your nice soft green bananas, boiled bananas. We have it for breakfast in the morning, lunch or even dinner. Some nice fried dumplings, white rice. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Guys, I'm going to add in just some tomatoes. In about a minute or so, I'm just going to add in some hot water, maybe like a half a cup for the gravy. Okay, my people, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some ketchup. Okay. Look how this looks so yummy. And I'm going to add in about half cup of water. Okay. And I'm going to put the lid on it and let it simmer. So this is the time you want to taste to see if it seasons to your liking. So I'm going to put the lid on and let it simmer. Okay, so see you all back in a few minutes. Okay, my people, as you could see, I just add some onion, slice them in rings, and julienne peppers. Alright, to just give it some color. I thought I was recording. You know, it happened. Alright, so I'm just going to let this simmer for at least 2 minutes. And then my liver will be finished. I serve my liver with some nice fried dumpling for my breakfast. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. One love. God bless. Bye.